Welcome to the biggest episode of Dad English ever. I'm Anthony.
And I'm Grace. Today, we are tackling the world of work. We have 50 topics covering everything from the interview to retirement.
50 topics? That sounds like a full-time job. Can I get paid overtime for this?
No, but you get the satisfaction of helping our listeners. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Let's clock in.
Grace, be honest. When you were 5 years old, what was your dream job?
I didn't want to be an accountant, that's for sure. I wanted to be a professional dinosaur or a pirate.
A pirate? That's not really a career path with a pension plan, is it?
No, but the freedom, no boss, just the open ocean. Now my dream job is professional mattress tester.
We all have dreams. I wanted to be a vet until I realized I'm scared of hamsters. It's funny how our career paths change as we grow up. What was the very first job you ever had?
Oh, it was a nightmare. I was a dishwasher at a Greasy Spoon diner. I was 16. The water was hot, the plates were heavy, and the chef yelled in French.
That sounds intense, but it builds character. My first job was babysitting. I learned negotiation skills from toddlers.
Dishwashing taught me that I never wanted to wash a dish again. It was my motivation to go to university. I still have nightmares about dirty forks. Grace, do you think I should lie on my resume?
Absolutely not. But let's look at your resume, or CV. Under skills, you wrote time management expert. Is that true?
I'm late to everything. But chronologically optimistic doesn't look good on paper. I creatively enhanced the truth.
Recruiters fact check. You should focus on your transferable skills, like how you handled pressure in that kitchen, not lies. Did you write a unique cover letter for this application?
Grace, that is torture. I have a template. Dear insert company name, I have always loved insert product.
That is so lazy. A cover letter is your chance to show personality. If you copy-paste, they can tell.
But writing, I really need money to pay rent is frowned upon. It feels like writing a love letter to a stranger who doesn't care about you. Is my LinkedIn profile picture professional enough?
Let me see. Anthony, that is a cropped photo from a wedding. I can see your friend's shoulder in the corner.
But I look happy, and I'm wearing a suit.
You need a clear headshot. Wear a shirt, look at the camera, and smile against a neutral background.
I tried taking a selfie against a white wall, but I looked like I was in prison. It's hard to look employable on command.
Have you ever worked with a headhunter?
A headhunter called me once. I got excited. I thought, this is it. I'm being scouted like a professional athlete.
And what was the job?
It was for a telemarketing position selling insurance. My heart broke. I thought I was special.
Recruiters are useful, but you have to be clear about your salary expectations, or they will waste your time. You have a big interview tomorrow. What are you wearing?
I was thinking jeans and a nice t-shirt. It's a tech startup, right?
No! Always overdressed is better than underdressed. Wear business casual, a blazer, a collared shirt.
But suits make me feel like an imposter. I feel like a child wearing his dad's clothes. I can't think when I'm strangling in a tie. How do I stop my hands from sweating before the handshake?
You walk into the room. The hiring manager extends his hand. What do you do?
Panic. My hands get sweaty when I'm nervous. It's like shaking hands with a wet fish.
Keep a tissue in your pocket. A firm handshake establishes dominance and confidence. Look them in the eye.
Eye contact is scary. I usually look at their forehead. Is that close enough?
Here comes the dreaded question. What is your greatest weakness?
Kryptonite. Or maybe chocolate cake.
Be serious. You can't say that in an interview. And don't say, I work too hard.
Okay, how about, I sometimes struggle to say no to extra work.
That's better. It shows you're helpful, but need to work on boundaries. It's a good weakness.
They offered me the job. Should I take the money immediately?
No. You negotiate. Never take the first offer. Ask for 10% more.
But what if they get mad and take the job away? I'm terrified of conflict.
They expect it. It shows you know your market value. Just ask politely, is there flexibility in the budget? It's your first day. How are you feeling walking through the door?
I have imposter syndrome. I feel like a fraud. Everyone looks so smart and busy, and I don't even know where the bathroom is.
That is totally normal. Just listen, take notes, and smile. The onboarding process takes weeks.
I was so nervous I called my boss Mom by accident. I want to die. Grace, how do people survive the morning commute?
You live far from the office. How is the traffic?
Soul-crushing. I sat in traffic for 90 minutes. I listened to 3 podcasts and questioned all my life choices.
Commuting is the silent killer of happiness. Have you tried the train?
The train smelled like wet dog, and I had to stand in someone's armpit. I need a remote job, Grace.
Did you manage to remember everyone's names?
There are 3 Davids and 2 Sarahs. I have no idea who was who. I just call everyone Buddy or Champ.
That's dangerous. Try to use a mnemonic device to remember.
I'm just going to avoid eye contact until someone wears a name tag. Why does the IT guy hate me?
Did IT set up your computer?
It was a disaster. The IT guy, Kevin, hates me. I locked myself out of the system 3 times in 1 hour.
Did you forget your password?
The password requirements are insane. 1 capital letter, 1 symbol, a number, and a hieroglyph. I can't remember all that.
Use a password manager, Anthony. Cybersecurity is important. How is the free coffee in the break room?
It tastes like battery acid mixed with dirt. It is mud water. But I drank 4 cups because I need the caffeine to survive the spreadsheets.
Office coffee is notoriously bad. That's why the coffee run is a sacred ritual.
I spent $15 on lattes today. My salary is going directly to Starbucks.
Why are there no walls in this office? Do you have your own office with a door?
No, it's an open plan office. There are no walls. I can hear the guy next to me chewing his gum. Smack, smack, smack.
It's designed for collaboration.
It's designed for torture. I feel like a zoo animal. I can't even check my personal email without 10 people seeing my screen.
Grace, someone stole my sandwich. What do I do? You look hungry. Did you eat lunch?
No, I brought a beautiful turkey sandwich. I put it in the fridge. At 1 p.m., it was gone.
A lunch thief. That is the lowest crime in the corporate world.
Who steals another man's sandwich? I'm going to leave a passive-aggressive note on the fridge tomorrow. I know who you are.
Why do you have blue ink all over your shirt?
The printer. It is the enemy of mankind. It said, PC load letter. I don't know what that means.
Printers can smell fear. If you are in a rush, they will jam.
I tried to fix it, and it exploded blue ink on me. Now I look like a nervous Smurf.
What does circle back even mean?
Are you understanding the way people talk in meetings?
No, they speak a different language. Let's circle back. Let's synergize. Low-hanging fruit. What are we talking about?
It's corporate jargon. It sounds smart, but means nothing.
I'm going to invent my own. Let's banana peel this project into the end zone. Where were you hiding at 3 p.m.?
I couldn't find you at your desk.
I was in the bathroom stall, not using it, just sitting.
Hiding?
It's the only place with privacy. It's my sanctuary. I played Candy Crush for 10 minutes just to reset my brain.
How do I stay awake during a 2-hour meeting?
You look like a zombie. What happened?
I was in a 2-hour meeting about paperclip usage efficiency.
That sounds like a meeting that should have been an email.
I slept with my eyes open. I mastered the art of nodding without listening.
Is your new boss giving you any space?
No, he is a micromanager. He stands behind my chair and watches me type. I can feel his breath on my neck.
That's terrible leadership. He doesn't know how to delegate.
He asked me to CC him on every email, even the ones about lunch. I feel like a toddler.
You seem stuck. Why don't you just ask for help?
Because then they will know I have no idea what I'm doing.
It's better to ask than to fail. It shows you want to learn.
I'll just Google it. Google is my real mentor. Is it sad to eat lunch at my desk?
Are you coming out for lunch?
I can't. I'm swamped. I'm eating a sad desk salad.
You need a break. Eating al desco is bad for digestion and mental health.
I'm dropping lettuce into my keyboard. This is a low point in my life.
It's 3 p.m. How is your energy level?
I am crashing hard. My eyes are heavy. I would pay $100 for a nap right now.
It's the sugar crash from lunch. Drink some water, stand up, and stretch.
I'm just going to stare at this spreadsheet until the numbers blur together. Why am I still here at 7 p.m.?
It's 7 p.m. Why are you still working?
The boss dropped a file on my desk at 4:55 p.m. Just a quick look, he said.
You need to set boundaries. Are you getting paid for this?
No, it's for the team. I hate the team.
Are you ready for your annual performance review?
I'm terrified. It feels like getting a report card in school. Anthony talks too much in class.
Just highlight your achievements. Show your value to the company.
Can I list didn't burn the building down as an achievement?
Aim higher, Anthony.
How do I ask for more money without crying?
Did you ask for a raise in the review?
I tried. I made a PowerPoint graph showing inflation versus my bank account tiers.
Did it work?
They gave me a cost of living adjustment. It's enough to buy 1 extra coffee a month.
Better than nothing, I guess. You're going on a business trip. Are you excited?
People think it's glamorous. It's not. It's airports, bad hotels, and eating dinner alone at TGI Fridays.
But you get frequent flyer miles.
I'm too tired to use them. I just want to go home to my own bed. Do I have to go to the office Christmas party?
Are you going to the holiday party?
Mandatory fun, my favorite.
Just don't drink too much. Remember what happened last year?
I did karaoke to I Will Survive in front of the CEO. I still cringe when I think about it.
Keep it professional this year. Sip water. Since you work from home now, what are you wearing?
A shirt and tie, from the waist up. Below the desk, polka dot boxers.
It's the mullet of outfits. Business up top, party on the bottom.
It's the greatest invention of the 21st century.
How do I focus when the fridge is calling my name?
Is it hard to focus at home?
Impossible. The fridge is calling my name, the laundry is staring at me, and my cat keeps walking across my keyboard sending gibberish to clients.
You need a dedicated workspace, a door you can close.
My workspace is the sofa. The danger of napping is extremely high. How was your big video conference presentation?
Disaster. I was talking for 5 minutes with passion, a brilliant speech.
And?
I was on mute. Everyone just watched my mouth move. Then when I unmuted, my dog started barking. Do you hear that ding sound in your nightmares?
I hear a noise coming from your computer.
It's the Slack notification sound. Ding, ding. It haunts my dreams.
Turn off notifications after hours. You have the right to disconnect.
If I don't answer instantly, I feel like I'm in trouble. It's a digital leash.
Everyone has a side hustle these days. Do you?
I tried driving for Uber.
How did it go?
I kept asking the passengers for directions. They gave me 1 star.
Maybe try something online.
I'm trying to sell my bad drawings as NFTs. No buyers yet? Should I become a freelancer and be my own boss?
Have you considered going full freelance?
I thought about it, but then I looked at taxes.
Ah, yes. You have to be your own accountant.
I can barely do basic math. I would end up in prison for tax evasion by accident. I'll stick to the paycheck.
Anthony, you look truly exhausted. Is it burnout?
I think I have burnout. I stare at the screen and feel empty.
That is serious. You need a break. A real one. No email.
I feel guilty if I'm not productive. That's the problem. Can I take a sick day if I'm just sick of work?
You're not at work today?
Cough, cough! I'm taking a mental health day.
Are you actually sick?
Sick of spreadsheets. I'm going to the movies at 11 a.m. It feels like a crime. It's exhilarating.
Look at those digital nomads on Instagram. Jealous?
Digital nomads. It looks amazing. Coconuts and laptops.
The reality is bad Wi-Fi and sand in your keyboard.
I don't care. I want the sand. I want to send emails from a hammock. Is a robot going to steal my job?
Are you worried about AI?
A little. ChatGPT writes better emails than me, and it doesn't need lunch breaks.
You have to focus on soft skills. Empathy. Humor. Robots aren't funny yet.
That's true. A robot couldn't make these terrible jokes. I'm safe.
Have you ever worked in a shop with angry customers?
Yes. Customer service. The customer is always right.
That is the biggest lie in business.
A lady yelled at me because the store didn't have her size. I had to apologize for her size. It was traumatic. Did I ever tell you about my time as a waiter?
No, how was it?
I dropped a tray of drinks on a guy in a suit.
Oh no! Did you get fired?
No, but I didn't get a tip. The food service industry is stressful. You have to smile while people treat you like a servant.
Have you ever done hard physical labor?
I worked construction one summer, digging holes.
Good exercise.
My back aged 40 years in 2 months. I have so much respect for blue-collar workers. Sitting at a desk is easy compared to that. Could I be a salesperson making cold calls?
Could you call strangers and sell them things?
No. Cold calling is terrifying.
You need thick skin. Rejection is part of the game.
I cry when the pizza guy is late. I can't handle rejection 50 times a day.
You're good with computers. Could you do IT support?
Hello? Have you tried turning it off and on again?
That's 90% of the job.
I could do that until they ask me a real question. Then I hang up. Why can't I just be a starving artist?
What about being a full-time writer or artist?
The starving artist lifestyle.
It's romantic. Follow your passion.
Passion doesn't pay the electric bill, Brace. I need stability. I like eating 3 times a day.
Could you handle the pressure of being a doctor?
I faint if I see a paper cut.
It's a high-pressure vocation. Long shifts, life or death.
I can't even keep a house plant alive. I should not be in charge of human lives. I want to quit. How do I do it dramatically?
You've had enough. You want to quit.
I want to flip a table and scream, I'm out.
No. You write a polite resignation letter. You give 2 weeks' notice.
Why?
You don't want to burn bridges. You might need a reference later. You quit without a plan. Now what?
It was fun for 2 days. Now I'm staring at the ceiling wondering if I will starve.
Looking for a job is a full-time job. Update that resume.
I miss the office coffee. I took it for granted. Grace, what is the ultimate goal here?
We finally made it. Scene 50. Retirement.
The golden years. I plan to retire next Tuesday.
You need savings, a pension.
My plan is to win the lottery.
That's not a financial plan, Anthony.
Until then, back to work.
Back to work. Thanks for listening, everyone.
Please subscribe so I can retire early. Bye.